Hello, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute rabbit. First thing we will do is choose cyan color as our background color. Next, we will draw a quick draft. We will choose the 6B pencil brush with a dark gray color. Then I tap the Move tool to enlarge the draft a little bit. Next, tap two fingers on the layer to change the draft layer's opacity to around 25%. And then we add a new layer and move it down below the draft layer, and then we are always able to see the draft lines when we're drawing. This time we use the thickening brush and the textures. Tap the brush again to change its grain. In this drawing, we turn up the depth to 48%. This brush can paint a furry feeling. Let's start drawing her head with a warm gray color. We can easily drag the color like this and fill it. And then change to white color to draw her shirt. Add a new layer to draw her overalls. This time we use cyan color. Next, we draw her eyes, nose, and pink cheeks. Next thing we will do is draw the shadows on her body. Click the plus button to add a new layer. Tap the layer again and turn it into a clipping mask. The drawing on this layer will only be visible in areas where it aligns with content in the parent layer. Finally, we draw the shadow cast on the wall. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!